Hey everyone, so today we are going to be creating this purple cut crease that I've got going on right here. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, then make sure you stay tuned and keep watching, and let's just jump into it. So first I'm going to be starting off by priming my lids. Here I've got the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Concealer. It's in the color Light, and I'm just going to use this to prime my lids. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking my Morphe 506 and I'm going to be using the Norvina palette here, and I'm going to be using the color Passion over here. It looks like a brown color, but really it's actually a purple, so you know how it be. I'm going to just start by taking this on the outer corners into my crease here. See what I mean? If you can see it, it kind of turns out to be like a purple. But I'm going to be taking it here, just lightly dabbing it for right now, and then I'm going to blend out. So this one's pretty blended out, but we will obviously work our way there. Is it too early for a snack break? Next I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Nude Palette, and I'm going to be making this purple color brighter by taking this color here, which is, I don't even know what color, Love Bite. Okay, so I'll be taking the color Love Bite on top of the Passion color that we used here, because I find it really helps make the color a lot more bold. It's just, this is more of like a neon-y kind of color, so I want to make sure that we're making this look vibrant, honey. I'm mainly focusing the colors here into my crease because eventually, after blending it out far enough, it's going to continue the color up higher, but I don't want to get the color really dark up here because then it's harder to blend out. Next, I'm going to be taking this color Tickle from the Nude palette as well, and I'm just going to start making that the transition color here and blending that out as well. Going back in with the Love Bite color, I'm just going to make sure I'm not losing any pigment color here, and I'm just going to add some more back in. And basically you just kind of go back and forth between the two colors until you're satisfied, and then we cut the crease. So that's basically how you do makeup in a nutshell. Hocus pocus, time to focus. So now I'm taking this color here, which is the color Bear. I'm going to still take the same brush and I'm going to start highlighting my brow bone area, and this is going to kind of create that really light pink that we got over here, even though that color does not exist at my household in my makeup drawer. But I created it by just adding this to the pink color that we already were using. It almost has like a purple hue to it too, actually. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm going to go back in with that pink too, and it's just, like I said before, you're just going like back and forth and back and forth and back and forth and back and forth until you are satisfied with what you got going on. Okay, I think I'm pretty satisfied with this. Now we're going to go back to this concealer that we use here. I just put a little bit on the back of my hand because that's just what works for me. And now I gotta find, oh, here it is. So to be cutting my crease, I'm going to be using the Morphe M432. It's just a flat brush here, and I'm going to apply this on my lid. I will be using the trick that I told you guys in my last makeup video on how to get the really amazing crease. Cut crease. You missed it. You didn't even see it. You have to watch my other video to find out what the secret is. I'm gonna leave it at that and go from there. So now to set the concealer that I used here, I'm going to be taking that Bare color that we used earlier, and I'm going to be applying it all over the cutted crease area. And I'm just gonna apply some in my inner corner here too while we're at it, because she needs some love too, honey. Switching back to the Norvina palette, I'm going to bring back the color Passion here. The one that likes to tell you that it's brown, but it ain't. And I'm just going to start kind of blending this in here. And I like to blend a little bit on an angle here. Going back into my crease a little bit again. This is only going to just darken up and crispen up everything, like crispy bacon. For me personally, my trick to making a super crisp cut crease is I just like to take an angled brush that you would use for, you know, like eyeliner, and I just start to like go right in the crack. Now going back in with Tickle, I'm going to really start to bring the finishing touches here. And now back to Bare. So now I'm going to be taking a MAC 218 brush, which is just kind of like a little, I don't know, like pencil shaped brush, I guess. And I'm going to go in with Love Bite on my lower lash line to start creating. Oh my gosh, I literally cannot do my lower lash line without like crying. It tickles, man, it tickles. So now to finish this cut crease here, we are going to be taking the color Crave here, which is this kind of wet pigmented color here. I'm going to be taking the flat brush for this because I find that if I use any other kind of brush, it doesn't really stick as well as I want it to. When I look at my other eye here, it's just lightly, very lightly sparkled. So it's not the whole kit and caboodle of the show. It's just a little touch to make it a little bit more wow. Okay. I think I would say I'm pretty happy with this right now. I might just have to like blend out here a little bit. And I'm going to go in again with Bare on the inner corners. Even this one I feel like could use a little bit more. Now where did I put my mascara? A quick popcorn break. Since I can't go to the movies. Where's my mascara? Found it! Found my mascara! Beautiful. So my tip for putting on lashes is to always do your bottom lashes after you have your lashes on, because I find for me my eyes get so watery, and half the time I end up having to reapply them twice because I literally end up crying them off because my eyes just are so watery. Don't know why, but that's just kind of my pro tip there to stop any possible like bad black mascara running. So if you have that same issue, I hope this helps you, because after all this hard work, you do not want to have that gross black mascara running after you work so hard. For my lashes today, I'm going to be using Colourpop's Miami False Lashes. So this concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this purple cut crease that we did today. And don't forget to comment any other video ideas that you might have, any makeup colors, any makeup palettes, any of that sort. Please comment them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!